Hello 89 batch, Ajay Shesh here. I think everyone wants to stay in Sevagram only, that is Sevagram and Varda only. So, what I feel is that we can go for a 3 day program. One day where college का function होगा, the official MGIMS program, wherein we'll have lunch with our teachers and then we'll have college का एक round लगाएंगे, hostel का एक round लगाएंगे, and just general looking around the place, reliving the academic memories. We'll go to anatomy lecture hall and things like that. And hostel, all other places in Sevagram, of course, the Goras Bhandar and things like that. And probably in the night there will be a dinner, etc. So I propose 2 more days apart from that because everyone is saying that 3 दिन बहुत हो जाएगा, 3 दिन काफी है. So second day I propose that we will go to a picnic to places like Anji. Anji बहुत important है ना? Anji temple. We will go to Bhankheda. We will go to Supli and Supli temple and remember our old picnic. I hope the temple still exists. And we'll also go to Gitai Mandir. And we had a great picnic once in Gitai Mandir, so we'll go to Gitai Mandir. Okay, no board dam. No board dam. Huh? No board dam. Okay, so next day will be a picnic. In the evening, we can have a cultural program or introduction of children, cultural program for the children, and we'll have lots of gifts for the children. सबको बहुत गिफ्ट्स देंगे, सबको बहुत encourage करेंगे, सबको बहुत प्यार करेंगे, things like that. उनमें से someone wants to sing a song, tell a joke or whatever. Evening will be for our kids, and we'll say hello to each other's kids and then just enjoy them, just celebrate them. Third day, we'll keep it reserved wherever we are staying for just a general chit chat and of course gossip. Yes, the old days gossip. And evening time of the third day, we'll keep for a quiet, decent, luxurious ghazal evening. So we can have nice old songs of those days. All of us can perform. All of us can enjoy the music. And of course, Aniket is coming up with some great ideas for 89 batch quiz, which will be held for the events happened those days, right from the first anatomy test which we had. So these 3 days of program, I think no matter for how many days you are coming, we will be charging all of us for those 3 days only, and the payment for these 3 days will be compulsory because let's face it, finances are important, and these 3 days we'll completely enjoy. So I hope that Riti and Ramesh Pandey will be attending and taking all the notes from this year's 88 batch get together, and we'll have a get together which will stand the test of time for the years to come and will be like an example of how a get together is conducted. Myself and Rohit, of course, are taking the lead with your blessings, of course, and with your contributions and with your contribution of both ideas and help. I am sure that we'll be able to pull it off beautifully. So let's remember the old days. बड़ी खूबसूरत थी वो जिंदगानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी. See you guys. Cheers.